Microsoft Store is not opening. So this is the common issue, and if you are facing this issue, then watch this video till then, because I am going to give you the best solution. First of all, you need to press Windows and R, and herein you need to type a command to reset the Microsoft Store. So you need to type wsreset.exe. So make sure to write wsreset.exe and click on OK to reset the Microsoft Store. You can see Microsoft Store is getting reset. So it is now reset and it is opening up. If it does not open up for you, then move to the next step. Now you need to open command prompt. You need to simply type command in search bar and right click on this and click run as administrator. Now you need to run two commands, DISM command and SFC scan command. So make sure to write those two commands which I am showing you here. So make sure to write them correctly. The next step is to run the Microsoft Store Troubleshooter. So in search bar in Windows, you need to write simply troubleshoot settings. So this window will open up. You need to click on additional troubleshooters. Now you need to scroll down at the bottom, and herein you can see Windows Store apps, and you need to click on run the troubleshooter. So make sure to run this and detect all the problems with Windows Store, and it will automatically delete all the problems and resolve all the problems, and it will definitely resolve this error. And if it does not resolve, then there are more steps which I am giving you that you can follow. So you can see it is detecting the problems and it will automatically resolve the problem. You can simply see reset the app. You can simply click on next and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure that Microsoft services are running properly. For this you need to press Windows and R, and herein you type services.msc. Now you need to search here Microsoft Store. You can see Microsoft install services. Right click on this and click on properties. Herein you can see there is an option of manual. So if it is showing automatic for you, you need to just click on manual and click on apply and OK. So make sure that it is manual. The last step is to simply install Windows Update. Simply search updates and click on check for updates, and herein you need to install all the latest updates for Windows. So ensure to update your Windows to the latest version. You can see schedule restart, and there are so many updates which are not downloaded by me, so you can install it in your system as well. After doing all this process, make sure to restart your PC and see whether this issue get resolved or not. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.